Cynthia and Grizz hiking the Pioneer Trail. We're looking for aspens, of course. Been looking at aspens for a couple of hours. But then there's a storm behind us. Several people have gotten wet, and we're trying to outrun it. Ooh, that's so pretty. You can see the gray sky now. Started out, we were in blue sky. There's my dog. Always gonna be checking on me. Gonna take the lead, Grizz? You can take the lead if you want. Maybe not. Usually he likes to be ahead of me on these tight switchbacks because he's so much more sure-footed than I am. The aspens are definitely peaked. Had several that have blown down completely. One good storm and they'll be gone. But here they are in all their glory now. Usually my dog is in front of me, which means I get to look at his tail quite a bit. So I always tell people, you should pick out a dog with a cute tail. Cute bottom, because you're going to have to look at it more than you think. He's in the lead, so you can see what I'm talking about. Taking a shortcut. Can't say I blame him. I think I'm going to take this one myself. Switchbacks on this are pretty tricky. Plus he knows there's a squirrel over there. There's always a squirrel over there. See, this one's pretty steep. Not going any speed or anything. And the aspens in the valley up here are glorious. See them peeking through the trees. Here's my hiking dog. Yeah, those are some pretty ones. We'll be walking through some in a few minutes here. I figure over the winter I can look at this and re-hike my trail. Since I won't be able to get in here except by snowshoe. Not on this one. Or ski. I could get my car in the parking lot. But in the summer, it is cool and 70 degrees in the shade. And hardly any people back here. It's getting really still, so I know it's getting ready to rain somewhere. I think we can make it around this corner though. This is a nice grove right here. nice one. Seen a lot of elk tracks. I figured the people combing the woods for aspens probably running them somewhere. And as we say, the money shot is going to be right here. I mean, besides that one. There's this one.